The universe is vast and mysterious, and we are just a tiny speck in it. We have managed to explore only a small part of our planet, and there's still so much unknown out there that we don't know about. It's possible that out there in the vastness of space, there are other forms of life that are far more advanced than we are. These alien civilizations could have technology and knowledge that is beyond our wildest dreams. And they might be watching us from afar, observing our every move. But what if the roles were reversed? What if we are the ones being watched, not the other way around? In today's video, we are going to explore the idea that humanity is actually the villain in the universe and that advanced civilizations steer clear of us for a very good reason. This is a crazy concept, but stick with me till the end, because by the end of this video, you will understand why aliens avoid us at all costs. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and subscribe so you never miss an amazing video. Let's start. Have you ever thought about the fact that we haven't been able to contact any aliens even though there are billions of Earth-like planets out there? Some people believe that we are alone in the universe and that there are no other forms of life out there. Others believe that there are aliens out there, but they are hiding from us. But what if there is another explanation? What if it is not the aliens who are avoiding us, but rather us who are the ones that should be avoided? We live in a world where everything is constantly changing and evolving. Technology is advancing at an unprecedented rate, and it seems like we are on the cusp of a new era of discovery. But in the midst of all this change, there are some things that remain constant. One of these constants is the human tendency to cause destruction wherever we go. We have a history of violence and war, and we seem to be unable to break free from this cycle. When we look at our past, it's hard to imagine that we are any different from the barbarians who roamed the earth centuries ago. We have done terrible things in the name of religion, politics, and power. And we continue to do terrible things even today. Just think about the wars and conflicts that are happening right now. The violence and hatred that is being spread in the name of religion and politics. How can we call ourselves civilized when we are still capable of such barbarity? If aliens are out there watching us, they would see all of this violence and destruction and wonder why we are still around. They would see the wars we fight, the hatred we spread, and the damage we do to the environment. And they would probably conclude that we are a dangerous species that should be avoided at all costs. But it doesn't stop there. Our tendency to cause destruction is not limited to our own planet. We have explored other planets and moons in our solar system, and we have already started to contaminate them with our presence. Take, for example, the moon. We have been visiting the moon for decades now, and we have left our trash there. We have left footprints on the moon that will remain there for millions of years. We have also left behind equipment and debris that is polluting the lunar surface. And we are doing the same thing on Mars. We have sent rovers and probes to Mars, and they have landed on the planet. We have also plans to send humans to Mars in the future. But what will we do with Mars? Will we turn it into another Earth? Will we pollute it with our garbage and destroy its environment? If aliens are out there watching us, they would see all of this and wonder if we are a threat to their planets as well. They would see that we are capable of destroying entire ecosystems, and they would be right to be worried. But it gets worse. Our tendency to cause destruction is not limited to our solar system. We have sent probes and telescopes beyond our solar system, and we have discovered thousands of exoplanets. Some of these exoplanets are similar to Earth, and they could have life on them, but we have already started to contaminate them as well. We have sent probes and telescopes that are orbiting these exoplanets and taking pictures of them. We are analyzing the atmosphere and looking for signs of life. But we are also contaminating these planets with our technology. These planets are our next target for exploration and colonization, and we are already polluting them with our presence. If aliens are out there watching us, they would see all of this and wonder why we are allowed to continue. They would see that we are a destructive species that is capable of destroying anything in our path, and they would question why we are not stopped. You might be thinking that we are being too harsh on ourselves. But think about it this way. If we were in the place of aliens, what would we do? If we were aliens and we were watching us, would we want to come any closer? Would we want to interact with us, or would we stay away from us? because we are a threat to the existence of other life forms. We are a danger to other civilizations, and we need to be avoided at all costs. Now let's think about something else. Why haven't we made first contact with aliens yet? Billions of people around the world are searching for extraterrestrial life, and we have the technology to explore the universe like never before. But we haven't found any aliens yet. Some people say that we are alone in the universe. But there are billions of Earth-like planets out there, and the chances of us being alone are very slim. There is a theory that says that we have made contact with aliens, but they are hiding from us. And this makes sense in a way. If aliens are watching us, and they see how destructive we are, they would probably want to hide from us. They wouldn't want us to know that they exist, because we would probably try to attack them. We have a history of violence and war, and we are not a peaceful species. If aliens are out there, they know that we are capable of anything. They have seen what we have done to our own planet, and they know that we would do the same thing to them. But here's the thing. If aliens are out there, why haven't they contacted us yet? If they are hiding from us, why haven't they revealed themselves? Well, there's a theory that says that they have tried to contact us, but we have ignored them. There are many cases of people claiming to have seen aliens or to have been abducted by them. And there are many cases of UFO sightings that have never been explained. But as a whole, humanity has rejected all of this as being fake or a lie. We have chosen to ignore the signs that aliens are among us. And this is why they have given up on trying to contact us. So here's the deal. If you were an alien and you were watching us, what would you do? Would you try to contact us, or would you leave us alone? Most of you would choose to leave us alone, and that's exactly what aliens are doing. They are avoiding us at all costs, because we are a threat to them. We are a danger to any form of life, and we need to be avoided at all costs. We are the villains in the universe, and the aliens are the heroes. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.